Welcome to the Tree of Knowledge channel. Did you know you don't need a lot of money to start investing? Did you know that you can invest for your child under 18? It's an easy process. Be sure to see the bonus video of this series to learn more on how to make your child a millionaire. Now that you're following steps 1, 2, and 3 of this series, it's time to start investing. Please watch this video closely and put the plan into action. The sooner you start, the greater the rewards. The Bible might seem like an unlikely place to find financial advice. After all, it's an ancient text, written in a time when the financial systems we know today didn't exist. But if we look closely, we can find timeless principles that are incredibly relevant to our modern financial lives. The Bible teaches us to be responsible with what we have. It calls us to be good stewards, to manage our resources wisely. Investing might seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. You might think you need a lot of money to get started. The good news is, you don't. Every journey begins with a single step. Investing even a small amount regularly can make a big difference over time. It's about developing a habit, a discipline that will serve you well throughout your life. Think of it like planting a seed. It might seem small and insignificant at first, but with consistent nurturing, it can grow into a mighty tree. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Start small, be consistent, and watch your investments grow. The confidence you gain from taking control of your finances is priceless. Ecclesiastes chapter 11 verse 2 says, "Invest in 7 ventures, yes in 8. You do not know what disaster may come upon the land." This ancient wisdom speaks directly to the importance of diversification. In simpler terms, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your investments is like having a safety net for your money. It means spreading your risk across different types of assets. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting your own business. Why is diversification so important? Because markets are unpredictable. What goes up can come down. By diversifying, you reduce the impact of any single investment on your overall portfolio. Remember, diversification is key to weathering market storms and achieving long-term financial stability. Section 4. Unlocking Hidden Income Streams. In this section, we will delve into the exciting world of creating additional income streams. This isn't just about making more money, it's about leveraging your unique skills and passions to build a more fulfilling and financially secure life. We often think of income as something we earn from a single job. This traditional mindset can limit our potential. Imagine if you could break free from this one-dimensional view and explore multiple avenues to generate income. But what if, you could create additional streams of income based on your passions and skills? Think about the hobbies and activities that bring you joy. These could be the key to unlocking new financial opportunities. This is where things get exciting. The possibilities are endless when you start to think outside the box. Every passion, no matter how niche, has the potential to be monetized. Do you have a hobby you love? Whether it's painting, playing a musical instrument, or any other creative pursuit, these activities can be more than just pastimes. Maybe you're great at baking, photography, or writing. These are not just hobbies, they are valuable skills that others are willing to pay for. These skills can be monetized to create additional income streams. For instance, you could start a small business selling your baked goods, offer your services as a freelance photographer, or write articles and content for various clients. You could sell your baked goods online, offer photography services, or even write freelance articles. The key is to identify what you love doing and find a way to turn it into a source of income, or even write freelance articles. Writing can be a particularly versatile skill, allowing you to work from anywhere and on your own schedule. The internet has opened up countless opportunities to turn your passions into profit. With the rise of digital platforms, it's easier than ever to reach a global audience and market your skills. Explore online platforms, connect with potential customers, and get creative. Platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, and Upwork provide a marketplace for your talents. Social media can also be a powerful tool to showcase your work and attract clients. Remember, generating multiple income streams not only boosts your financial security, but also provides a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Diversifying your income can protect you from economic downturns and job instability, giving you peace of mind and a more balanced life. Additionally, consider sharing your knowledge and skills through teaching or creating online courses. This can be another lucrative way to generate income while helping others learn and grow. Don't forget about investments. Investing in stocks, real estate, or other ventures can also be a way to create passive income streams. The key is to diversify and not rely on a single source of income. By unlocking hidden income streams, you empower yourself to achieve your financial goals and enjoy greater freedom. It's about taking control of your financial future and creating a life that aligns with your passions and values. So, take a moment to reflect on your skills and interests. What hidden income streams could you unlock? The journey may require effort and creativity, but the rewards are well worth it. Start exploring today and open the door to new possibilities. Section 5. Finding value in undervalued assets. In this section, we delve into the intriguing world of value investing, a strategy that has stood the test of time and proven its worth in the financial markets. Imagine being able to buy $1 for 50 cents. This might sound too good to be true, but it's the fundamental principle behind value investing. The idea is to purchase assets for less than their intrinsic value, creating a margin of safety and potential for significant returns. That's the basic idea behind value investing. It's a strategy that requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of the market. Value investors seek out stocks that are undervalued by the market, often overlooked or misunderstood by the majority of investors. It's about finding companies or assets that are undervalued by the market. These are often companies with strong fundamentals such as solid earnings, robust cash flow, and a healthy balance sheet, but whose stock prices don't reflect their true worth. Value investors are like detectives. They dig deep into financial statements, scrutinizing every detail to uncover hidden value. They look beyond the surface, analyzing a company's business model, competitive advantages, and future growth prospects. They research companies thoroughly, analyzing their financial statements and future prospects. This involves studying income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements to get a clear picture of a company's financial health. They look for hidden gems, companies with strong fundamentals but whose stock prices don't reflect their true worth. These are often companies that are temporarily out of favor with the market due to short-term issues or market sentiment. This approach requires patience and discipline. Value investing is not about making quick profits or chasing the latest trends. It's about taking a long-term perspective and being willing to wait for the market to recognize the true value of the investments. It's not about chasing the latest trends or making quick profits. Instead, it's about staying focused on the long-term potential of the investments and ignoring the noise of the market. It's about making informed decisions based on solid research and a long-term perspective. Value investors rely on their own analysis and judgment, rather than following the crowd or reacting to market fluctuations. Value investing, when done right, can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. By buying undervalued assets and holding them until their true value is recognized by the market, investors can achieve substantial returns. It's about recognizing value where others don't and reaping the rewards of your patience. The journey of value investing is not always easy, but for those who master it, the rewards can be significant and long-lasting. Section 6. Investing in index funds. For those not interested in investing in individual stocks, consider investing in index funds with low management fees. Index funds track a specific market index like the S&P 500 and offer broad market exposure with lower risk. Comparing management fees is crucial, as high fees can eat into your returns over time. Look for funds with low expense ratios to maximize your investment growth. Section 7. Practical steps to invest wisely. Here are some practical steps to help you invest wisely. Diversify your investments. Spread your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Research and educate yourself. Learn about different investment options and strategies to make informed decisions. Start small and be consistent. Begin with small investments and gradually increase your contributions over time. Monitor your investments. Regularly review your investment portfolio and make adjustments as needed. Seek professional advice. Consult with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment plan. Stay patient and avoid emotional decisions. Investing is a long-term journey. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. The benefits of investing wisely. By investing wisely, you can enjoy numerous benefits: financial growth, your money works for you, growing over time, increased security, diversified investments reduce risk and provide financial stability, peace of mind. Knowing you have a solid investment plan reduces financial stress. Opportunities for wealth. Wise investments can lead to significant wealth accumulation. Remember, you're investing for the long term. Even Warren Buffett has had to cope with market declines. He knew the value of his investments and saw the downturn as an opportunity. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into investing wisely. Please leave your reflections in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights from the Tree of Knowledge channel. And be sure to check out our other videos in the series, especially Step 5. Give generously to learn how generosity can enrich your life and financial future. To become a successful value investor, continuous learning and staying updated with market trends and financial news is crucial. Reading books, attending seminars, and discussing strategies with fellow investors can provide valuable insights and enhance your investment acumen. Peace be with you.